There, underneath the board.
One came jumping.
I told you. Hello.
Now you can speak here.
Yes. So it's what's the time?
It's I think
9 p.m. and we're going for fishing. But we are not doing the fishing.
Not
Somebody
fishing,
else is
we're going to
doing
catch
it.
a prawn.
surprise.
We're going to catch what?
Prawns.
Yeah, we're going to catch prawns, but we are not catching the prawns.
See how they catch the prawns.
Yeah.
We'll see
we're going to
how-
see how the locals here catch prawns, and that's how they survive every day.
Local way. Come.
I'm joking. Let's go and see how the locals here
Mama said to not
Let's-
come.
fishing.
Let's go.
Mama said to not come.
You guys are not allowed? That's sad. Bye.
Hey, from my come.
Okay, so this is the route that we are taking to go to the fishing place. It's kind of a deadly road. We have to go by bike. I don't think a car can pass through. Or can they?
Yeah,
they
can.
can. Let's be careful.
It's a deadly road.
It's messy. I think it's more comfortable by a bike.
Yeah, it's easier by bike.
And it smells very, it has this very earthy type smell here because on the side, I don't know if you can see, this full lake area. Ooh, it smells very fishy and earthy mixed together. Yeah, it's like very crazy kind of a smell. So imagine the route is so long, it's like we're going right. I think this road was particularly built just for the
Just for this,
fishing, yeah. And majorly they catch prawns. It's their like speciality is just prawns. But I think if they get lucky they catch even like other sorts of fish like kingfish and
Yeah.
stuff. That's what I've heard. So yeah, that's the
And
spot.
second thing is during rainy season this gets completely filled, so you cannot.
Yeah, you can't come here. Or I don't know, maybe you can.
No,
Okay, let's go.
Recording.
This is the place. I don't know if you can see me. It's very dark.
Yeah,
No
it's very
lighting.
dark.
But
Come fast.
Coming.
come fast, come running to see live prawns.
Oh, it's already started.
The
Oh my
first
God.
promise of today.
This is how you cross the crazy ass.
Currently they are sorting it out.
Oh,
The big ones are separated here. See how many there.
see, freshly caught.
And small ones are here.
Tiny crabs.
You can see the tiny ones jumping.
See, he's currently removing it. There.
Oh, okay. So he's freshly catching the fish and the prawns. As you can see, it's very scary. So this is the whole area.
Salty water, no? Because of the salty.
That foam is.
And the water is stopped there, no? So that's why it
Yes.
becomes bubbly.
Where that's the net. How they catch it?
This is where the sea water converges with the river water.
Yeah,
So
that's
what-
why. Yeah.
So now it is low tide. So water from this river is going into the sea. After some, that is how it works out. So when it is high tide, the water comes back into this section.
And that is why you see this
And then
salty
they stop-
foaming up.
And this is called the bund. Then they stop this water flow, and then they remove the net. So this goes on till 12 a.m. in the morning.
They start at 8, no?
Yeah, they start at 8. So there are intervals. After 1 or 2 hours gap, they remove the prawns from the net.
And then they sell it at the market. That's what they do.
Yeah, you can say
This
buy
is
it
like
from
a
here
big time
also.
business. Oh yeah, or you can buy it from here directly. Fresh prawns, fresh out of the water.
Sometimes you get big ones and tiger prawns also.
Yeah, that day
Fat
we saw.
ones. आज मिलना रे tiger prawns मिलना. By the way, this guy is Dominic. Dominic, say hi.
Hi.
He's a local fisherman. He's my friend, volleyball player, ex-volleyball player of Raya. Because of the tide, no? At this time it's low tide, so water can be left out. That is the reason they do it at night. When it is high tide, water comes in back.
There's like so many prawns.
One of them here. See the crab that they got.
Baskets of prawns.
The one crab also. Yesterday he had caught a big fish, you know, this big. Today nothing, I guess.
The last time they got kingfish, you told me.
Yeah, huge one, huge one. Huh? Tenzilan gadle.
Oh wow. They got this fish called sornok.
Delicacy.
Yeah.
I mean, that
What's sornok called in English? Yeah, but it's
It's
a
only found in
really
Goa.
yum fish. Oh, it's only found in Goa? Yeah, it's the best fish. It's very succulent, really good. Look at them separating all the small prawns with the bigger ones. Is this profitable for them though?
Yeah, of course it is.
See, so many people are helping
Sorting
out.
out, they sort out this prawns. It's quite an effort, you know. Every day they have to do this.
And they're doing it with the bare hand.
Like, we are not lucky today. If you had to see the tiger prawn, it's amazing. Something. केदो मेटले? लास्ट 2 पार्ट मेळ्ळो आमकां. आज 10 न्ही नेक्स्ट काडटा तूं? आज केदो कितल्यांक काडटा तूं? कंटिन्यूस काडीत रावता तूं? Afzal, you want to try?
You want to go there and try with him?
Yeah.
You want to join him? Get the experience? Come on, get the experience.
You know to swim?
No.
Then better not.
God. It's, I don't think it's deep, right?
Deep are? Deep are they, Udo? What a deep are? Deep are.
Hell no.
He doesn't want to
Don't worry,
experience.
they are experts, they'll save you.
They'll save you, yeah. You want to try?
Why don't you go though?
You go, man, Gemma, go.
Yeah, go.
How did he even? Okay.
So much
He
he got,
jumped.
see. So much.
My God, look at the fresh catch from the net. And it's all prawns. Major prawns catching.
Most of this go for drying up, you know. They
Yeah.
dry
They use
up.
it for their Goan
Kismore,
dishes
it
like
is called
kismore.
kismore.
Yeah.
It
I
goes
think
for
they make
drying.
this dry prawns pickle as well.
Yeah, and they make it powder, you know. Powder
Yeah,
it.
prawns powder. It's yummy. I love it. My favorite. Wait, what? Why did he throw that fish?
What he threw?
That fish he just threw. Dead fish. Sad.
You want to catch a crab?
No, thank you. He'll bite me.
There's a way.
Check. Brian is catching
No,
crab.
no, no. Show the he'll teach you to catch the crab.
I'm gonna.
You try learn how to catch a crab.
Oh my God. They're all flipping.
Freshly out of the water.
कैसे रे कितो पटा रे एक फुल बास्केट के पास कितने कितो
So he's asking the cost of how much it's going to cost for a basket.
एक फुल बास्केट रेट 6000
6,000 for a
6,000,
whole
yeah.
basket. Yeah. That's crazy.
हेलो
So he's putting it there, laying it out there for them to separate again from the small and the big prawns. It's so crazy that they're doing it with their bare hands because the prawns, they have that pointy thing, right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine getting like stung by that? So yeah.
These are not the farm prawns that we get in the market. That's why it's a bit pricey, you know.
That's what you get for 500 rupees. Yay. This
Close
is
up.
alive.
1 second. Let me take it from this side. Yeah. Oh.
See how shiny they are.
Fresh from the lake.
Hey,
He's alive.
dangerous, huh? It's
Yeah.
dangerous.
That's what I
Let's take
said.
You want to try?
No. I'm gonna get stung by prawn.
चलो तो चलो आ रहे हैं 12 o'clock till 12 o'clock
8 p.m. to 12 a.m. That's what they do. And this,
कॉल कितने
और लेट जाता है एक दिन में
किधर
कितने चेंज जाएगा इतने
change जाता the tide okay tide changes itself so it gets extended the timing and all it's as per the tide and ते season कितले रे season कितले कितू महिना असतो ते आता हाँ November till November it goes on till November
And it's not in the rainy season, no?
No, no, not there during rainy season.
Does
No,
it
rainy
fill
season will be all full.
Really?
Yeah.
This house gets like full.
Yeah.
So this is Goa for you. It's a secret spot that we found recently. And if you want to come and explore, you guys can come by Fresh Catch if you're around here. And even they have a special stay also. I'll show you. Come. Show them. Ooh, don't fall. I can't save you. You can't even swim, and I also can't swim, and we'll both drown. Special stay if you want to enjoy the night here. Show them. It's a very local stay. Go in. Take close-up shots of the stay here. If you want to experience sea life, fishing life, then you can even come here, stay with them. It's free of cost, by the way. Yes, as long as you pay for the prawns. Now we're going to cross this very deadly bridge.
You can come and catch the prawn here.
Yeah, I don't know do risky things,
Try
Brian.
catching the prawn.
I don't know experience. Oh my god.
You want to catch? Don't fall in the water. That's all.
Oh god.
You want to try catching?
You want to go?
If you fall, I'm there to save you. Don't
No,
worry.
yuck. The water is dirty. Look at
Not dirty.
that prawns. Yeah.
Go catch it.
No,
If
yuck.
you're lucky, you'll get one big prawn here. Okay? Go
They'll
catch
poke
it.
me. They'll poke me.
Nothing will happen. Go try.
Ah!
Arey, try.
No, it's fine. I'm good from here. Man,
Come, big one.
that's not a big one. It's a small one.
No, it's big one.
Look at Brian. He's going to catch that. He's going to catch free prawns. That's not a big one. Oh my god. See. Show it. There. Underneath the board.
One came jumping.
I told you.
It's very dangerous, man.
I told you it's dangerous. They poke like crazy.
They don't poke, but it's scary.
Scary. What if
If you
Get stung.
Actually, now if you just stand here, now you can collect this much
them.
prawns.
You catch with a
You don't
net.
really need to do anything.
Get your personal net when you're coming here
Get
and
one
stand
small-
over there.
Actually, no, you can get a small net
Cap.
and just
Cap is good. You just take the cap and. Understood? How's my tip? It's on a user's
And there
tip.
are big fat prawns.
You have a
also
cap,
jumping
no,
there.
at home. It's useless for you, so we'll get that cap tomorrow. We'll catch. I will catch prawns. Let's have like a challenge.
They're jumping here.
They are jumping in the packet. Only I can do this.
Again, he's taking.
See, check that out. He keeps doing it.
He keeps doing it. So much they get now.
Yeah, it's crazy. Imagine every day.
Quite a profitable thing.
Yeah, it's quite a profitable business.
Earning a lot.
And they take turns. They take turns, no?
Actually, it's on contract.
Yeah, it's on contract.
It's on
They take
contract. You have to
turns.
pay. He paid around 2.5-3 lakhs for the contract.
he must have recovered by now.
Yeah, he must have recovered. He got it on discount this time.
It's a good business for the locals here.
Yeah, of course.
And it's better than the market prawns because this is fresh.
No, these are market ones are all farm prawns.
Oh yeah, they are the
All
farm
the market prawns now are a farm. This
These
is
are
this
fresh.
is not farm prawn. This is original from the sea. Nothing better than this. This place is Ilade Rashal, by the way.
Yeah, it's called
Close
Ilade
to Raya.
Rashal in Goa. So let's sign out. We're all going home with our fresh catch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.